Audi. We love this noise from Audi. Cabrio. Cabrio weather. Good. Wow. Original oil. Volkswagen Group. Someone did not do it right. Not good. Oh. Not here. First, always this. Gear oil. Expensive. Smells like shit. Let it run out. Everything. Now the filter has to be removed. Very small filter. Audi. Vorsprung durch Technik. This is the filter. Paper filter. A lot of oil. Here's the filter. This is the filter. Oh my god, it's like hard plastic. Very hard. Dirty. Very dirty. Clean. Clean it. New magnet. Clean. The new oil filter gets installed here. Now the oil pan can be installed. What is the green dot for? Another green dot. Torque it to the specs. Put in park position. Now fill up the oil. Now it's dripping. Close. Coming out. Fast. Only with your hand tight. Now we have to let the engine run for 20 seconds and then all the gears. PRND. Yeah. Start the engine. Every gear 5 seconds. Now fill up again. Fill it up again. Now we need the transmission oil temperature here. Now the last drips. Good. Happy?